He said he doesn't have any knives.
I have heroin in my back pocket.
You got heroin in the back pocket? Where?
In my wallet.
In the wallet. Okay.
3 bags. That's hers.
Okay.
I have been breaking down body cam footage for years, and most domestic calls follow a pattern you can almost script in advance. This one is different. It is April 15th, 2025, somewhere in upstate New York. A woman with a swollen eye opens a hotel room door. The man she has a no-contact order against is sitting inside.
Hello.
Hi.
What's going
Did
on?
you see him?
Yeah, they found him. So what happened?
He's been beating me up for 3 days. Look at my face.
Okay, what's that from?
From him.
What
I
did
have
he
a
do?
domestic against him. I've been away from him for 9 months. He told me to come back, come out to lunch with me, and he will not leave me alone. He went through all my purse. He took all my money, everything. He took my car keys, everything.
How long did he, how long have you guys been hanging out?
3
Time you got an altercation?
This morning, just now.
Just now?
Just
Okay.
now.
And what was that? How did that begin?
Every time he takes a nap, he wakes up and says I'm stealing from him. He took all my money, all my credit cards, everything.
So he said he accused you of stealing from him.
Yeah.
Okay.
He has nothing to steal.
Right.
I'm the one. This is my room.
All right. Let me get some information from you, okay? Does he have any belongings here? Does he stay here?
We were just here for 3 days in my car. I need a starter and I'm stranded. And he took my keys. He woke me up this morning and said I got a friend that's going to help. And he left and he came back all fucked up. And he started with me. He's
What's
been
your
doing
first
this
name?
for 4 days. And his mother's calling and harassing me too, telling me she's
What's
going to kill
your
me.
middle initial? And you said he's got your car keys?
Yes.
What else has he got?
I don't know. I don't know what he took. I have to look at my wallet.
Why don't you look? So we, because we're out with him.
Oh God.
Because we're out with him, we could see what, you know.
He took everything from me.
Why is the bed all moved?
Because of him. This is what he did. He's fucked up. He's on drugs. All my shit's gone. Everything.
So, like, explain. You have some cards in there.
Okay.
So like, cash.
Oh yeah, cash. He probably used. His card is all used up. I had 20. I had $35 in here. He took all my quarters, everything.
Okay, and you wish to sign a complaint against him for
Oh
domestic?
yes. Oh yes. Look at my face.
And what was that? That looks kind of old.
It happened last night,
Last night?
and I didn't want to call the cops. He promised me, "Oh, I'll be better. I'm fine. Please."
And how did
don't call
that
the cops."
happen? That specific? With your eye?
He hit me in the face. He slapped me.
Okay. Did you fall or? Because
Yes,
I mean, it looks like.
I hit the black part of the bed.
Okay. Because it looks like a rug burn. You know.
I know.
You hit something.
My whole fucking head. My everything.
And what was that argument over? Just him being.
He was accusing me of taking his things, and I would never steal something. He steals everything, and that's why I wasn't with him for 9 months. And he told me he's changed. I've been to rehab, blah blah blah. I went for him with lunch. I have bad anxiety. I just want to kill myself. That's why he left, because he's probably got a
Yeah,
warrant
it's gonna
on
be
him.
an 03. You're out with him.
You have him?
Yeah, we got him. So.
Can you please see if my keys are with him?
Car keys?
Yeah.
Okay.
It has my key on it. There's a peak strap. I have an alarm on it.
Okay. And then, let's see. So which day did he contact you? Let's start from the beginning. So you said 3 days ago?
March 9th. We went out on a date.
Okay.
I picked him up from Sober Living. He's like, we're going on lunch date, blah, blah, blah. He's like, oh, I want to stop and get some dope. He did some dope.
After sober living.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, so then fast forward to, you said the last...
And then I...
Came a couple days ago?
I'm sorry. 4 days we had been here. We separated. He had another warrant on him when we had our last altercation in Geneva. So he went to jail
In Geneva?
for 4 days.
Okay. How long
Then
ago was
he
that?
went to another sober living place. Oh, no, he went to stay at his mom's at a hotel, and then he went to another sober living. He can't stay clean. It's like a revolving door.
631 1041 in custody at 800 hours.
How long you been here?
I have been here probably, what's today, Saturday? Monday?
So today's Tuesday.
Tuesday. Probably since Monday or Tuesday.
Of this week or last
Yes.
week? So you've been here a couple days only?
Yeah.
Okay. So when did he come over?
We came together.
Okay, you came together.
And my car started working the second day I was here.
Okay.
And he took my keys because he didn't want me to leave. He went through my wallet and took everything.
And that was,
everything.
And that was this morning.
He's been doing it every day. I have to sleep with my wallet in my purse. I mean, in my bra.
So the injury with your eye, when did that happen?
2 nights ago. And I know he has a record, so he promised. He's like, please don't call the police on me, please. I'll go to jail for 15 years. So I didn't.
Now she's got a pretty swollen eye. It looks like she got hit in the face with something, and she's got like a scab. It looks like it's a day old. She said it was, she promised not to call the police on him, and then whatever happened this morning, over money. I guess he took some of her money and her car keys. Yeah, she's got signs. Hey Gina, was there another guy here?
Yes.
Who's that?
Someone that he met. Another thing, he asked a guy that was staying here for a ride to Geneva. And he gave him $50 that he got out of my wallet. He never wanted a ride, he just wanted money.
Alright, well. Yeah, either way, she's got signs, so I guess we got, Oh, there is? Oh, I don't even know. Hey, you got an order of protection against him?
Yes, I do. I thought I dropped it.
Okay. Alright. Either way. Guess we'll be good. All right.
His mother left me a voicemail too that she's gonna kill me too.
Well, that's something different.
I'm gonna get an order of protection on her.
Yeah, just.
My mother told me to stay away from him.
So who's this guy was he staying here?
Yes, he was staying here.
Who's
and
this?
Tommy woke me up and he goes, baby, wake up. There's someone that's gonna help us with the car. And I said, we don't have the keys. He goes, I got the keys. He has my keys. And he asked this dude for $50 for a ride to Geneva, which doesn't even make sense because I have roadside where I can take that car to Geneva.
Mm-hmm. All right, well.
I want him arrested.
I just need to clarify. He hit you. You're swearing, your testimony statement here. He hit you. Okay?
Yes. And he strangled me before. That's what the other domestic was.
Well, I'm talking about what happened here.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Did he punch you, slap you, throw you?
Slapped
What did he
me.
do? So he slapped you in the face.
Slapped me.
You said you fell into the bed.
Yes. I fell backward on the floor. I went like this. And then I got up and put my head down and
Okay. All right. That's all I need. We'll see if he has your items on you, and if we do, I'll be back to drop them off to you, okay? All right. And then you know the whole route. Family shelter, they're gonna be contacting you. All that stuff, okay? You understand the domestic? Yeah. I mean, you gotta understand the domestic violence, rules, and you understand how to obtain an order, and you just gotta understand not to be with someone that constantly is hitting you. All right. So we're gonna get going. He's under arrest. Yes, he'll be locked up. Okay. I will find them. No, if I find them, I'll bring them back to you. Okay.
They're big. It's got a pink strap, my name, a G,
All right.
with a T on it.
All right. We'll take care of it. You're not going anywhere. You're gonna be here for a while. Okay. All right. You're welcome.
Are you Thomas? Is your name Thomas? What's going on over at the hotel with the girl?
It's me and my wife, right?
Let's step out. I'm gonna get
We're
way
drug
down.
addicts, okay?
Okay.
Been there for 3 days. Got in a big ass fight.
One needs you to told all
Went
non-emergency
downstairs.
traffic.
Our car died out there. I met that guy, the guy that she's with, asked him for a ride to Geneva. He goes, I'll give you a ride.
Hold on 1 second. 35, you were closing that channel for me. I'm out with him, he's cooperative, and they just give me another car over here.
He goes, I'll give you a ride to Geneva in the morning. Cool, right?
10-4, would you like
She
the channel
keeps
to
getting
remain
fucked
closed?
up. I'm fine.
30, if you close it for me, I don't need it closed.
She keeps getting fucked up. I'm fine. Do I look high?
10-4.
Do you have any ID on you?
One
Yeah.
needs you to resume all normal.
Do you have a knife on you? She says you have a knife.
I don't have a knife.
No, she told us you had a knife.
I don't have a fucking knife. No. But no, so anyways, he said he was going to give us a ride to Geneva, correct?
Yeah.
And then all of a sudden, they left.
Let me check you real quick. I'll just make sure you don't have any knives on you. 'cause
No, I
she
don't.
told-
No, I don't
just
have.
so we're-
No,
Just want to make sure.
no, I have no knives.
Tony, go ahead.
Your cigarettes.
Anyways, so he said he was going to give us a ride to Geneva, and then after he was going to give us a ride, my wife starts yelling at me. I was like, whatever, dude, just go. So she left. I stayed there and slept. They came barging in there right now. Dude yanked me up out of fucking bed. I'm a dope fiend. I told you, I got sick. I threw up on myself.
Gotcha.
He fucking yanked me up out of bed.
Who is this guy?
I have no idea. We asked him for help to drive us. She thinks I have her fucking keys. I don't have her keys. You can search all of my shit. I have
Okay.
no keys. She locked it in her car last night or something, and she's trying to say that I hit her. She nodded out last night in the bathroom. I fell asleep. I woke up. She was on the bathroom floor, butt naked like this,
Okay.
face down. She's done it before. She overdosed 2 weeks ago. She has mental issues. That's why I said I'm leaving. I said fuck this. I'm going.
Or were you guys? Are you homeless or?
Yeah, we're homeless.
Okay.
My mom's coming to get me right now.
Okay.
Comment, Case Amber.
Yeah, that's cool. All right. Well, the other officers are talking to her.
Okay.
We gotta figure out what's going on here. Where's mom coming from? How far away?
Right now.
Okay. I didn't care. Oh, okay. All right.
Check to see if it's secret mail.
I don't have any warrants or anything, so
Yeah, they're saying there might be an unserved order of protection though, or something.
an unserved order of protection.
Yeah. Did she try and get an order of protection against you?
No, we've been fine.
Because it sounds like they're telling us that she may have tried to get an order of protection, and there might be one, but it hasn't been served on you yet.
Oh, so she probably went and got one and then came back. Oh, okay.
So, they're just gonna check on that real quick.
Am I going to jail?
No.
Oh,
No.
okay.
Basically, we're gonna serve you with the order here.
Okay.
And I don't know if you're familiar with the orders of protection, but typically the orders of protection will indicate that you can't be around her, or you have to be some,
She
can't
did
contact
this
her.
before last year. We had a domestic last year. She literally would punch me in my face. I had a black eye this big. I'm not gonna do it, but I just grabbed her like this, and I just said, "Stop fucking hitting me!" And she called the cops, and I went to jail.
Okay.
That's why she didn't tell me there was an order of protection. I would have walked out right then and there. And then that guy, whoever that guy is, he fucking got in my face and pushed me.
What did the guy look like?
Blue shirt, fucked up teeth.
White guy, black guy?
White guy, hat on.
Okay.
I've been with her for 5 years this August, sir. We've been doing drugs. We fight like this. It happens. This is the third time she's called the cops on me. She's been smoking crack cocaine for 4 days.
Okay.
I do heroin. I'm not lying to you.
Oh, I appreciate it.
She's smoking crack for 4 days. So, she flips out like this, and I guarantee you she's gonna call me tomorrow baby, I'm so sorry, baby, I'm so sorry, baby, I'm so sorry. She does it all the time. I was just in rehab literally for the past month. And she called me up, baby, I need you, I'm fucked up, I need you. I left.
Yeah.
Left rehab to come save her.
Maybe you guys need to make that more of a permanent thing. If this is how it's going to be, you know?
I love her though, man.
I get that, but I mean, if this is how it's going to be, I mean, you want to live your life like this? If it's going to be a constant battle of, you know, police are getting called and... They're checking on this order of protection situation. If there is an order of protection, they'll serve it to you, and then you're going to have to stay away from her for...
So you're saying you showed it has been served. Have you been served with order of protection between you two?
Never.
Never?
Ever. On my father's soul.
Okay.
Never,
All right,
ever.
all right, we're going to get that clarified.
Never, ever have I been served. We've been together for 5.5 years. That's the answer.
Victor 330?
Victor 330?
Yeah, it's going to be all green.
I'm on probation. I think go to jail.
Okay.
So that thing is been served and it's no extra.
So here is the question I want you to hold on to. If the protected party is the one who opened the door, who exactly broke the law, most viewers get this wrong on the first guess. By the end of this video, you will understand why the answer is not what it looks like. Let me lay out the legal landscape first. Under New York criminal procedure law, an order of protection is a one-way street. The court restrains one party. The other party, the protected party, cannot waive it. She can invite him for coffee. She can let him stay 3 days. None of that lifts the order. Only a judge can lift the order. Now apply that to what the officers walked into. They had a visible facial injury, approximately 1 day old. They had a sworn complaint of assault. They had a named subject inside the room. Under People v. DeBoer, the New York stop and frisk framework, the officers were already past reasonable suspicion the moment they saw her face. They had probable cause for a warrantless arrest before Mr. Green opened his mouth. Here is where human thinking matters. The defense argument writes itself. He claims he was never served. He claims his supervision ended. He claims she called him. None of that is a defense. Under the New York Family Court Act, actual knowledge of the order is what controls, not formal service. And he admitted on camera he knew about the prior order. That admission alone closes the door on the service argument at any suppression hearing. The prosecution will play that clip first. Now look at the arrest decision itself. The officers did something tactically smart that prosecutors love. They did not charge the assault first. They charged the order of protection violation. Why does that matter? Because the assault charge requires the victim to testify, and domestic violence victims recant constantly. The order violation is strict liability. His presence is the crime. The case prosecutes itself even if she never shows up to court. That single charging decision is the difference between a conviction and a dismissal 6 months from now. Most officers do not make that distinction in the field. These officers did. The search incident to arrest gives us our second legal layer. Under Chimmel v. California and the line of cases that follow, once a lawful custodial arrest is made, the officer may search the person and the immediate area. 3 glassine bags of suspected heroin come out of his wallet. Clean recovery. Clean exception. And here is the part most viewers miss. He volunteered the disclosure before the search was complete. That statement is not suppressible under Miranda because it was not the product of interrogation. He handed the prosecution a confession on a silver tray. No defense attorney is getting that statement thrown out. But the most important legal question on this call is one nobody asked out loud: primary aggressor analysis. Both parties claimed they were hit. New York law mandates arrest in domestic incidents, but it also requires officers to identify the primary physical aggressor rather than arrest both parties. The factors are comparative injury, prior history, relative size, and who appears in fear. She has the injury. He has none. The prior documented domestic ended with him in handcuffs. This analysis is not close. The defense will argue she was the historical aggressor. The current footage answers that.
All right, well, according to the guy on scene, there is an active order of protection for you. So, unfortunately, at this point, we are going to have to place you on arrest for the violation of order of protection. If you put your hands behind your back,
I didn't do anything.
With orders of protection, it's simply just being in her presence is a violation. It doesn't mean that you beat her up or hit her. Just, I understand that. But if there's an active order of protection, you can't even be with her. The order prohibits you from being with her. And if you're with her, that's a violation of the order.
Okay.
I already searched him. If you guys want to search him again.
Yeah. I'm going to search him right now.
He said he doesn't have any knives.
I have heroin in my back pocket.
You got heroin in the back pocket where?
In my wallet.
In a wallet. Okay.
3 bags. That's hers.
Okay. Is there any other thing that we need to be concerned about in the bag? Anything? No knives? Nothing? No
Can
needles?
I press charges on her for hitting me?
We'll discuss that a little bit. Is there any needles or anything?
No.
So you don't inject? Do you sniff or how do you?
I sniff.
You sniff, okay.
But I'm going to be sick. I haven't hit the methadone clinic in 3 days.
Okay.
So what, I'm going to county and everything?
More than likely, yes.
Man, bro, please. She hit me. I have marks. Look at my hands. I have marks. She grabbed me.
Okay.
She's grabbing me. She's scratching me.
You guys want to search him up? You're going to search him and then Cassandra.
I want her.
Make sure you go to that back wall.
I want her arrested. She put her hands on me. So did he. I want them both arrested.
All right, we'll discuss that here in a little bit.
No, you need to grab them before they leave. They hurt me. They hit me, sir.
Okay. Let me. I'll talk to him real quick about that.
Shank, you want to look again? It looks like it got served. There's no expiration on it.
I'm going to call Dennis real quick. And
Yeah, my supervision is over for that.
No, I'm not. I'm talking about the order of protection.
Yeah, that. I had supervision for that. My supervision is over for the order of protection. It was over a year ago.
Stop.
It was over a year ago, sir.
Where's the heroin?
Huh?
Where's the?
In my wallet.
What do you got here?
Huh?
What do you got here?
I have no idea what that is. My dad's card.
Okay, I'm gonna put it right here in the bag. Okay. Nothing else is gonna poke in your
No,
stomach,
but I'm
right?
dope sick, really bad.
Okay. Is that the way you're snorting it?
Yes, sir. They're smoking crack in there right now. They're doing heroin, and they attacked me, sir. I want them arrested.
He says it's in here, so he says the bags are in here.
They're sealed.
right now. We'll do it this second. You'll get your wallet and stuff, but I'm not going to open this stuff up. You know.
So wait, I can go to the county?
Yeah. The county? What's that? No, DuPage. You're DuPage right now. So we'll go to DuPage. Unless you got some warrants out of Cook
No,
County.
I don't.
If you don't, then you'll be DuPage County.
DuPage do the methadone program?
What's that?
DuPage do the methadone program?
I don't know that they do. So, but if anything,
I think they do.
I can't remember if they do or not. Because I know at one point they were not. I don't know. I don't want to tell you that they are for sure.
How
I don't
come
know.
I'm being
Hold on, let's do
arrested?
this. Let's go through that now. I don't want that stuff going in any bags. I don't want it in the cars. Go through it now. Okay? But don't put it in the car until it's going through.
How come I'm being arrested if they attack me too, sir?
Huh?
How come he put his hands on me?
So, check it out. I came straight here. I don't know what's happening over there.
Okay.
Those officers, the primary officer, he's looking into that, and then we're going to put all this together, and then we'll figure out. Could there be charges? Could there not be charges? I don't know. I've only been here with you and these officers, so I don't know what's going on over there. I don't know what they're saying. You know what I mean? So,
All right, I'm gonna put you in the back of my car.
She put me back in fucking jail for nothing. I didn't do anything wrong. I didn't do anything wrong, man. I'm a fucking drug addict. I did nothing wrong. I get fucking beat up and fucking thrown around. Come on, man. I'm going to jail for 15 years.
Why do you say 15 years?
Because I'm on probation. But can't she get in trouble for picking me up for a no contact warrant? Or a no contact thing?
You gotta look through everything, okay?
sir. Please, I'm so sick right now.
Hey, Tony, you got gloves on, your rubber gloves?
Yeah.
I gave my last ones away the last time. And I forgot to put some back.
With the extra large.
Yeah, it's fine. I'm going to help her go through the bags. Oh, thank you.
Oh, I think I need to go to the hospital. Do I go to the station right now or county?
No, you'll be going to the station right now.
Oh, why did she do this to me? I didn't do anything fucking wrong to her. Fucking love her, man. I didn't do anything. Can you do me a favor though when you go back there? If you go back there, when you do me a favor, can you go back? Can you check them? They have drugs on them and they are violent.
He's gone. The guy's it's only her in the room. There's no other person.
Okay, well can you check her because she hit me too and she has drugs on her, please.
Yeah, I'm sure he's doing that. I'm sure he's checking her.
Can I read that right? It was served?
I didn't. I was talking to Dennis about the O3 is for a
I was never
battery. So
I was never served.
but also if there's a order protection violation too.
Yeah, I have to look at that again, but it looks... You said you were never served?
I was never served.
It looked like it was served, but...
She said there is. Dennis told us that she did get an order.
Yeah.
So
I mean, there's showing one... Did you have a prior domestic with her?
Huh?
Did you have a prior domestic issue with her?
2 years ago.
In 23, right?
Huh?
In 23? 2023?
2022, I believe.
Okay. I'm gonna ship him back then?
yeah, Dennis
All right.
will meet you back there. He said.
Let me talk about the officers. They did the fundamentals right, and the fundamentals are what wins cases. They separated the parties on arrival. They photographed the injury. They asked open-ended questions instead of leading ones. They verified the order through dispatch before the arrest rather than after. When Mr. Green started negotiating, the officer did not argue back. He explained the doctrine in plain language and moved forward. That is professional police work. Not perfect. The brief uncertainty about service status created a window a defense attorney will probe, but solid where it counts. Now, Mr. Green, I have seen a lot of these, and his behavior on camera is textbook. The pleading, the references to probation, the appeals to a 5-year relationship, the disclosure of active opioid use. None of it is a legal defense. He is not denying the relationship. He is denying the legal consequence. And the protected party, this is the hardest part of the analysis to do, honestly. She made the call. She allowed the photographs. She itemized what was taken. Those are difficult choices. But she also opened the door. She cannot violate her own order. She can, however, make the prosecution significantly harder. 3 lessons from this call. Lesson 1. The order does not enforce itself, and you cannot unenforce it. If you change your mind, go back to the court that issued it and ask for modification. Inviting the restrained party over does not lift the order. It creates a crime scene with you standing in the middle of it. Lesson 2. Delayed reporting is not fatal, but it costs you evidence. The injury here was a day old. That delay gave the defense a foothold for cross-examination. If you are in this situation, call the same night. Photograph everything yourself, time-stamped. Get to an emergency room. Medical records are the prosecutor's most powerful tool. Lesson 3. For anyone with a restrained party order against them. The order is a court order. It does not care about your feelings, your sobriety, or who called whom. Actual knowledge can be enough, even without formal service. The 15 seconds it takes to check the order with the court can save you 15 years. An order of protection is the law speaking in one direction. It does not require the cooperation of the person it protects, and it does not accept the consent of the person it restrains. The questions raised on this footage do not have comfortable answers, but they are the ones worth asking. Thanks for watching.